Somebody's asked to describe how to do a slur on the Pontic lira, the Kemenche. So a slur is when you play two notes with one bow movement. So basically you can play two notes with two bow movements. So you can do this. So two bow movements for two. Or if you do a slur, it's so one bow movement, two sounds, two notes. Okay, so it does happen quite a bit in Pontic music. Or if I do it with two bow movements, you can notice the difference in the sound of the sound that the instrument makes. That's one bow movement for every note. Or if I do one bow movement for two notes, as opposed to okay. So it does happen quite a bit. The last tune I did was okay, so that one there is okay, as opposed to, that's a lot easier to do as opposed to if you do okay, if you do the two bow movements. So it just saves you time in terms of coming back and forward. You can just do one bow movement with the note. Now if you want to practice these, as I said, it occurs in a lot of songs. I think the easiest way to do it is the following: using the second and third fingers on the high-pitched chord and only playing the high-pitched. You can do this. Okay, so that's the one we've just done. And then do the following: drop the first and lift the second. And then just do the first. Again, these are all one bow movement, as opposed to so. And then you can come to the middle chord and do second and fourth, only touching the middle chord, only playing the middle chord. And then you can do second and third, first and second, and then moving on to the lower pitched chord. Don't worry about second and third, it sounds very similar. First and third. That's more common. And then just so that's a good exercise, just for anyone really, but just to show you a bit further out. So okay, so that's a good exercise for anyone really, a beginner, intermediate. I'll just to finish off, the tune Rashopulo, which is a very popular one on this channel, everywhere really, that has a lot of this as well. So if I pan out, quite a bit in that. So it just saves you, actually the last tune I did as well, the Khalay, So you can either play that, and that's perfectly fine. But if you want to do it with slurs, it's and it actually sounds different, but some people will say it sounds better, others say it doesn't, but I think it sounds better. But whatever you want to do. So thanks for the person that asked. I hope that helps. If not, or if you enjoyed the video, let me know. Thanks for watching.